Hola chicos and welcome back. Today I want to review the language lab rules. As you walk into room 1412, you'll notice that we have some special equipment hanging from the ceiling. In order for us to practice our language experiences, the county had assigned certain classrooms in the buildings with these language labs. And we do have some rules for safety use of that equipment. The rules are general, so hopefully very self-explanatory, but I do want to go over some aspects of these rules. Definitely, gum and food are forbidden when using the lab, particularly gum. And if you don't follow the rules, consequences are that you may not be able to use the language lab and be part of these excellent experiences and practices and games that we do with the language lab. Because the labs are hanging from the ceiling, you need to wait for the trays to come all the way down before getting your headset. You will not stand while the teacher is getting the trays closer to your desk. So make sure that you wait till they stop. Also, the headset trays are only for headset, not to throw garbage, not to hang anything from them. Leave your headset plugged into the jacks at all times. The headsets are already plugged. You will not have to handle that. Occasionally, and very rare that it happens, because we pull a little bit on the cables, they will become loose, but you don't have to worry about that part. Your teachers, depending on the language lab or the room that you are using, will check on that. Help to steady the trays if they swing, and do not contribute to that. When they drop down closer to your desk, there might be a little movement of the trays, so make sure that you help with that process. To replace the headset, please raise the microphone to the up position. Put the cord in first. Do not wrap the cord around the headset. Set the headset on the top of cord and replace the plastic cover. The plastic cover is to keep dust out of there so it doesn't get into you. It is important that we keep the language lab clean. Remember, I said that abuse of lab equipment will result in loss of the privilege to use the lab. Hopefully there's no questions. These are very simple rules. If you have any questions, please check with your teacher. At the end of this video, you are going to be asked to answer a question as part of the assignment as your electronic signature that you understand the lab rules. It also becomes an official document that will be enforced if you ever decide to break any of these rules. Thank you.